Some of the most affordable and most unique floor plans of this builder in the entire Metroplex. Where am I and what builder is this? I'll tell you next, so don't go anywhere. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up on the channel. Hi, this is Elizabeth Oliva, and this is the Fort Worth Home Tours. We get calls and texts from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So whether you're moving in 8 days, 8 weeks, 8 months, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, book a Zoom. The details are below of how to do that, and we will connect. I can help represent you. I can help you get the best deal, advocate for you on your behalf with the builder, and you'll take advantage of my own exclusive builder incentives when you do that. So I am up here at Treeline, the newest Hillwood master plan community that's just getting started. I mean, I don't even know that they have anybody living here yet. All the models are here, as you can see behind me. All the models, this is model row. I think we have 8 models of all the different builders. This community is gonna be huge. I think 4,200 homes, something like that. It's gonna be for people that wanna be out in nature. They wanna be gazing at the stars. They wanna be in the tree house. They want to connect with everything nature related. That's what Treeline is going to be. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. So today we're gonna tour one of my favorite builders, and I'm so excited because their price point here is better than anywhere I have seen their price point. And they have floor plans that they don't normally have anywhere else. Maybe a couple other communities where they have these exact floor plans. Everywhere else is totally different. So I can't wait to show you this model. So let's go see it. Before we go inside, I wanted to talk about one of the things that makes this community different than any other even Hillwood that I have been in. I had the distinct pleasure of seeing 2 of the developer Hillwood people here just before I started this video, and they pointed this out. Okay, so if you can see, there's a flag right here and a flagpole holder, and every home here in Treeline is going to have this. So if you want to fly a flag, you can fly a flag, and it's already installed on your home. Hillwood is a very patriotic development company. They love America, they love to be patriotic. So you're gonna see that in their communities, and especially here at Treeline. So now let's go and look at the model. Come inside, you are gonna see this beautiful entryway. All the way up, 2-story ceiling. Isn't that gorgeous? And off here to the side, this is gonna be your garage area. Sales office right now, but that would be your garage. And then to our left, we have our first bedroom. Let's check out the closet here. These are nice. What do you think? Plantain shutters? Or plantation shutters, let's say that right. Oh wow, this is a really nice closet with more shutters. And there are only a couple other communities that have these floor plans. There are a lot of Highland communities out there, but there's only a couple places you can find these particular floor plans. They're very unique to this community and maybe a couple others. And notice these tall soaring ceilings in here. And they went for a super shower, which is very, very popular. Tiled all the way to the ceiling, very elegant look. Love that. And we got our closet here. They've got it with sills, collateral, and then over here to the right off of the garage, we have our laundry right here. And we have an office. Really nice. What do y'all think about this treatment? We got wallpaper, and then we have this treatment on the wall. It's very pretty, very calming in here. Yeah, so really, really nice office space. And let's move in here. We got another closet. You never have too much of that. Oh, lots of storage underneath the stairs there. Lots of storage. It opens up into this beautiful great room. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? What do y'all think? You like it? And of course, a lot of the stuff you see here, it's gonna be an upgrade. Like that is an upgrade to have the gas cooktop instead of the slide in. Those cabinets up there with the lighting, those are upgrades for sure. This type of sink is going to be an upgrade, no doubt about it. And what else? Those are a few. And then you got your pantry over here on this side. Very, very nice. Oh, y'all hungry? Oh wait, it's not real. Here's the view from the kitchen. And look at those stairs. What do y'all think? I really like these stairs. And one reason the stairs are done this way in this home is because of the space or the space efficiency that is needed. This is on a 45-foot lot, okay? And so that's a smaller space, but it's so well appointed, you would never know it. And you've got your kind of buffet area over here. This is really beautiful. And then your dining right here. So you've got your dining and your living all pretty much together right through here. Now let's go take a look upstairs. I have not been up here, so I have no idea what we're gonna see. Absolutely no idea. We're gonna find out together. I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. Okay, so right off this side, we have a hallway. What's this? Oh, closet, big linen closet. And then this looks out over the entryway. Really beautiful. Got a bedroom down this way. Good size closet. Really cute bedroom here on the front of the house. And you got your full bath right here. Let's see if we have, oh, we have a tub, shower tub combo. Always nice, especially if you have a super shower in another area. All right. Spare bedroom number 3. Really nice closet. Really cute. And then we have our game room area right here. Really nice game room area. And this space could be built out or not built out. So built out, it's a media room, and that is an option. Or you can leave it as attic space. Really nice big media room here. And of course, I saved the best for last. I love the way Highland Homes looked. Their finish out, their floor plans, just love it. What do y'all think? You like it? Oh, almost forgot to mention this right here. This, of course, is an upgrade to have these doors that open up, but you can do that. And then finally to our primary. Very nice. With the barn door. Let's take a look at a different angle. Lots of light this afternoon. And what a beautiful primary. And the freestanding tub. Okay, so here is the controversy. Freestanding tub, are you gonna use it? Would you use it? Or is it just there to look pretty? What do you think? You like it? Beautiful shower. Again, with the tile all the way around. Look at that. You've got this whole wall tiled, which is a beautiful look. And your double vanity. And you got your throne room right here. Got your linen closet. Wish I had one of those. And your primary closet. Beautiful wood floors in here. Very, very nice. So what do y'all think? Give you a few little details about price points, starting price points. Oh, let's check out the back real quick. So this is a front-facing garage. A 45-foot lot. Not bad though. So of course, all of this area here, you know, they've got the model all decked out, but isn't it beautiful? This house still looks huge, even though it's on a more narrow lot. Now, he was telling me that they will probably have wider lots in the future, but that's what they're starting with here. And let's talk about those, what they've got available. So this is where they are. Here's the entrance out this way. So it's this area here. So the light blue are the ones that are left. That's it right now until they start a new phase. Future phases over here. This is future. They haven't started that yet. Price point starting this community, $416, $417. That's amazing. That is, I mean, I've seen a lot of different Highland communities, and this is an amazing price point for Highland. This right here is the model. The McClaren is what we are in right now, and it starts at it's under 500, $497. Okay, so when you add like the kitchen that you saw, that right there, okay, that is gonna be an additional $12,500. The patio doors are $15,000. So, you know, definitely you're seeing some upgrades, and they always have incentives. Right now, the incentives are $20,000 towards a closing cost or buying down the rate or design options. So definitely want to check with me at the time you are looking to see what the incentives are. And of course, always my incentives to add to the builder incentives. Check with me first on that. Make sure you call me first or you're going to miss out. What do you think about that door? Love that door. And what do you think about this home? Leave me a comment. So thanks for touring this home here at Treeline, the new Hillwood community that's just taking off. Most people don't even know it exists. So I appreciate you being along with me. If you liked the video, go ahead and like the video. That really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. This is Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours. You can get in touch with me, and the details are below of how to do that. Don't forget, I can help represent you and get you the best deal and my exclusive incentive. So until next time, when you come into town, I hope to show you around.